Welcome back to our channel. The 2020 Yamaha R15 is a stunning sports bike that continues to impress enthusiasts with its sharp design, powerful performance, and track-inspired features. Known for bringing superbike-like experience to the entry-level segment, the R15 combines style and technology in a compact package perfect for young riders and adrenaline seekers. Its aggressive styling, inspired by the larger R-Series bikes, features a sleek aerodynamic body, twin-LED headlights, and a sculpted fuel tank that give it an unmistakable road presence. The bike is powered by a refined 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine equipped with variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This engine delivers smooth yet thrilling power throughout the rev range, making it enjoyable for both city rides and high-speed highway runs. With its 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, gear shifts feel precise and effortless, adding to the sporty character of the R15. Yamaha has ensured that the R15 is not just about straight-line speed but also about precise handling. Its Delta box frame provides excellent stability and cornering confidence, while the rear monoshock and front telescopic forks offer a balanced and comfortable ride. The bike comes with disc brakes at both ends and dual-channel ABS for enhanced braking performance and rider safety. The 2020 R15 also boasts a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all essential information clearly and adds to the modern appeal of the bike. With its combination of performance, reliability, and premium features, the Yamaha R15 remains a top choice in the sports bike segment. It's a perfect machine for riders who want to experience the thrill of a track-ready bike in an everyday-friendly package. Stylish, powerful, and loaded with features, the R15 continues to set the benchmark in its class. Thanks for watch video and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon button.